if you're thinking about factory resetting your MacBook, especially a MacBook from 2009, of course you'll go into recovery mode, and if it goes into recovery mode, you'll have these options. The thing I will suggest is remember to make a time machine backup. Why? Because when I did a factory reset, which involves going first to disk utility and erasing the hard drive, so that erases your hard drive. So I went to disk utility, and then I erased the hard drive. That was pretty easy. I went to this disk here and I erased. I'm going to go erase. Let me add a volume. Hopefully it adds a volume. Add. Okay, then I close this utility over here. And if I try to reinstall the OS, this is High Sierra, it will give me this awesome screen. So my suggestion is when you do a factory reset, make sure to do a time machine backup. And of course, time machine backup, you just have to go into time machine if you have the icon up here. Backup now to external drive. So please remember, go into your system preferences and then go to time machine and make sure to back it up. See, my backup is complete. Otherwise, you might be stuck like me. And people might say, why don't you just go into internet recovery? Yeah, you can go into internet recovery. You use the Option Command R together, or Shift Option Command R to go into internet recovery. But if you have a MacBook 2009 like me, there's no way to go into internet recovery. There might be, or there's something wrong with my MacBook, but yes, you have the quickest, easiest way is to use internet recovery.